Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make money make sense. Today, we're talking about something that might sound boring at first, but it's actually one of the most powerful forces in building wealth: compound interest. It's the reason some people retire with millions, even if they never had a huge income. So grab a drink, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use compound interest to make yourself rich, step by step. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll never look at saving money the same way again. What is compound interest? All right, let's start simple. Compound interest is basically interest on interest. It means the money you earn doesn't just sit there, it starts earning more money for you. Here's the idea. Let's say you invest $1,000 at 10% per year. After 1 year, you've got $1,100. If you leave that in, next year, you earn 10% on $1,100, not just your original $1,000. So in year 2, you'll have $1,200. And that growth keeps accelerating. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. He said those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. So yeah, compound interest is a big deal. The magic of time. Now here's where the magic really happens: time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Let's compare two people. Alex starts investing $200 a month at age 25. Taylor starts at 35, 10 years later, also $200 a month. If both earn 7% a year and stop investing at 65, guess who ends up with more? Alex finishes with about $480,000, while Taylor only gets around $240,000. Same amount each month, but Alex started earlier. That's the power of time in compounding. So the first rule: start as soon as you can. Even small amounts matter. Step by step, how to build wealth with compound interest. Step 1, start investing early. Even if it's $10 a week, the earlier you start, the more exponential your growth becomes. Remember, time beats timing. Step 2, be consistent. Set up automatic transfers or auto-investing. Treat it like a bill you pay to your future self. Step 3, reinvest your earnings. Don't withdraw your interest or dividends, let them compound. That's what grows your wealth behind the scenes. Step 4, choose the right investment accounts. If you're in the US, look into 401k or IRA for retirement, tax advantages plus employer match. Roth IRA if you want tax-free growth. Index funds or ETFs for low-cost diversification. Be patient. Compound interest rewards the patient, not the impulsive. Even Warren Buffett says his wealth mostly came after age 50 because compounding takes time to snowball. Real-life example. Let's see it in real life. Say you invest $300 a month at 8% annual return for 30 years. You'll have invested $108,000 of your own money. But thanks to compound interest, your balance grows to over $400,000. That's an extra $300,000 your money earned for you while you were sleeping. That's the beauty of compounding. Your money works harder than you do. So there you have it, the step-by-step guide to getting rich with compound interest. Start early, stay consistent, reinvest your returns, and give it time to grow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial freedom tips, and share this with a friend who needs a little money motivation. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.